Welcome to our exploration of surface area, an essential concept in geometry. In this video, we'll define surface area, explore its significance, and learn how to calculate it for common 3D shapes. Surface area is the total area of all the faces of a 3D shape. Surface area has practical applications in various fields, such as architecture, engineering, and manufacturing. Let's dive into calculating the surface area of some common 3D shapes. First up, we have the cube, a shape with 6 congruent square faces.
Next, let's consider the cuboid, also known as a rectangular prism, with 6 rectangular faces. To calculate the surface of this cuboid, we find the area of all of the faces. We add all of the products together. Keep in mind, the front and back are the same. The top and bottom are the same. And the left and right sides are the same.
Moving on to the cylinder, which consists of 2 circular bases and a curved surface. The formula for the surface area of a cylinder is 2 times pi times the radius times the height plus 2 times pi times the square of the radius. To calculate the surface area of this cylinder, you would calculate the top and bottom by using pi times radius squared and the rounded rectangular side by multiplying pi times diameter times height.
Finally, we have the sphere, a shape with no edges or corners, only a smooth, curved surface.
Now, let's go through the step-by-step process of calculating surface area. The formula for the surface area of a sphere is 4 times pi times the radius squared.
Congratulations on completing this surface area exploration. You're now equipped to tackle surface area problems with confidence.